YouTube Shorts ads. Friends, we all know that the short video format on YouTube, it is getting incredibly popular, right? Just like people watch reels on Instagram, they watch shorts on YouTube too. While watching those shorts, like after 4 or 5 videos, an ad appears, then again after watching sometime another ad shows up. So if you want that the audience who is spending most of their time on a particular platform, and if you will be showing your ads on that platform, you will get much more engagement and you'll be able to capture more of the audience's attention. So friends, what we need to do here, in this case, we will teach you guys practically that how can you run the ads on shorts video with the help of Google Ads. And let me tell you that this format is becoming extremely popular and it's being used the most. You can use this for your brand awareness and for engagement. Okay, and you can use it to keep your brand visible right in front of your target audience. And I will also tell you the methods to get maximum views or engagement in the minimum amount of money spent. So let's learn and watch carefully. So I'm teaching this practically. Please be sure to practice so you don't miss important details. So you can see on my computer screen, the Google Ads account is open. So friends, to create a new campaign, I'll first click on the plus sign, then click new campaign to start it. Normally you have to choose an objective, but I won't. I will choose the option create campaign without goal guidance. And in campaign type, I'll choose video because I need to run an ad on YouTube. Now look here. Video views, efficient reach options, and the different types heads have appeared which are asking for my main objective or goal. What is the purpose to run ads? Is it reach or views purpose? Or is it conversions, engagement, subscriptions? That's written here as well. That which formats you can run here. Look, it is written here, the short ads. Can we run it in this particular format? Clear? Okay. If not mentioned, then it's not there. So you should choose that particular campaign subtype carefully after thinking about your goals. For now, I'll select the first option so that video gets maximum views. So I will click on continue, then select start new. Once that is done, I'll give the campaign its name like the video views. Short ads. Okay, then I'll write MF. Then add the date. Add the date. Here short ads is the specific campaign name I have used for it. And here I'll choose my format of the shorts ads and I will disable the others. Okay. The bidding strategy is selected as the cost per view. It's because when someone is watching the shorts, they will definitely see the ads there. So here, based on the cost per view method, YouTube will charge money from me. Okay, it's for showing the video. It's a great format. You should definitely try it for your business. Next is budget and dates. We can set the budget in two ways. One is using daily budget and the other way is campaign total budget. Let me explain campaign budget. Suppose I put 10,000 here. Then this 10,000 isn't for one day, it's total budget. So if I put the date from 20 February to 28 February, then that 10,000 gets spent over 8 days. The campaign runs and brings results for that time. So friends, the best way is the daily budget option. I will put 1,000 daily for now. Feel free to set 500,000 or adjust it as needed. With a daily budget, you can easily control it. Just turn it on or off whenever needed. Okay. Next, go to networks. In that, I'll select YouTube and I won't show ads on partner sites because there's limited budget. There are so many people on YouTube, so choose your target audience there and not anywhere else. And here we can choose our desired location. Choose all countries or India or click enter another location. So choose your option. If I want to show ads across India, I'll choose India. And if I want to show ads in specific state, I can choose it from here. So you already know that how to choose the location and I have taught it in earlier videos. Enter the location here, like I will select Rajasthan. So Rajasthan is the chosen location. In this way, you can choose your locations accordingly. In language section, you want all languages or want a specific language. I've selected the English and Hindi language because in areas where I'm running ads, my target audience understands both English and Hindi. So I targeted them. Additional settings are very important settings to consider because it will help optimize the ad budget. And in the devices section, why would I run ad on all the devices? I'll run it on mobile phones. I have shorts, so I will disable everything else. Similarly, you can choose operating systems, device models, networks if you have such a specific product or service requirement. If you need a very specific target audience, select your options from here. After doing this, I will set frequency capping, that how many times will one single person see my ad within one day, how much audience can I capture. I'll set 3. So friends, this means one person sees my ad 3 times in a day. If they actually want to take action, they will, otherwise I will show the ad to other different people. So right here, I've set a limit so that one person doesn't see my ad multiple times, they don't get irritated, and my money is saved. Set frequency cap, it's great for budget optimization. What about the ad schedule setting? Let's say my office is open from Monday to Friday and from morning, so from 9 a.m. till the evening time, until 7 p.m. in evening the office is open, okay? So I will select only that time because my employees are available then to handle inquiries and to answer questions. So why would I show you my ad on unnecessary days and during off times? Why to waste my money? Okay, so this is another great way for budget optimization, and even Google itself, Google says it and recommends to use ad schedule so that Google can itself manage turning ads on and off. If you do it yourself manually, the ad might have some problems or errors might occur sometimes, okay? And moreover, it is a very tiring and not feasible to manage constantly, so use ad schedule if it's needed for you. Ad group name, I will give the group specific name here, like video views. In feed, sorry, please correct it and write video views, short, ads, MF, so I have written it. Here we have audience. If you have already created an audience, if you have any list saved under some specific name. So friends, what should we do? We can easily use that existing audience list. Is it clear? If you have created one before, see, I've created MF audience offline. This is created. If I want to use any of these audience, then I will select this audience right here, okay, and then I will save it. If you want to create new audience, just go here and make one from scratch, okay. I have taught you all of this customized audience, lookalike audience and everything from A to Z in this course. I hope you are learning the entire course properly. It's all connected with each other. Then we have demographics. So let's take an example that if my product, it is for people from 18 to 34 years old who are more interested in learning my course, so I will target them. Both males and females will learn digital marketing now, so I will target both genders here. If it's just for females, why show it to males? This is budget optimization. My ad is not being shown to unnecessary audience group, so I'm saving money there. Additional demographics is done. Now parental status, if your product is parent or non-parent, you can select that here. Then interested detailed demographics. As I have told you, there is a browse option available here, and we have options like in market, life events, detailed demographics, affinity. If you want to do any targeting from these, you can, but for now I am using and I will be targeting on the basis of keywords or topics. So let's choose the topics. What topics are there? Let's suppose here let me just check here. Just a moment. Let me search digital marketing. So I have searched it now in the marketing here. Advertising and marketing. Brand management, search engine optimization. Sales and jobs. Sales. Like this, I have chosen telemarketing and other different options so that my ad is shown to people who are interested in these topics or industries. Is it clear? People who like watching such content. Now for all this, I also need a short video, right? So I had already made a short video ad for the shorts. I will use that. I will copy its URL and will paste it here. After pasting the link, look, my shorts video is here. It will look something like this when played. You must add the landing page URL. Those interested in the ad for service or product need this link to reach my website. I've added it here. And after giving the URL, I will enter in the part 1 and 2 here. That will be a digital marketing. The path is actual URL that the person or user will see. It's marketingfundas.co.in/digital/marketing. And remember, it should be relevant. Call to action. Next is call to action. If they see the ad and want to act, then use shop now for shopping. If they need to fill out a form, then sign up, do it like that. Suppose I put sign up here. If anyone wants my course, they can sign up with details. Next, put headline. Live digital marketing course. Okay. All right. I have put my live course here. Now for the long headline, best digital marketing with AI course. Clear? This is digital marketing with AI. This is our special fusion course. People are actively learning from our live courses right now. Because friends, digital marketing alone isn't enough. You need to learn digital marketing with AI. So if all of you watching also want to connect with us and learn live online, you can call or WhatsApp us through the numbers given on screen. Join us live to learn and you'll get your course completion certificate too. So this isn't a promotion, I'm just letting you know. It's for those who are unaware that we also teach live. Industry experts teach you and they also provide you with certification. So I have added the long headline and the description here. So the headline and the description about it is given here. And write headline, long headline and description really well, understood. Because people don't just see visual ad, written material is also considered. Do good copywriting so that the content and ad itself are impactful. If ad is impactful, then only user will leave competitors' ad and click on yours. So after this, I came down here. Look, I have created one ad, but what will one ad do? I always tell you try to create 2 or 3 different ads. Maybe ad you like isn't what the audience prefers. So try making 2-3 different ads with different ways. Then Google observes, yes, public likes this ad version, so it promotes that one more and your campaign money gets spent there effectively. This also optimizes budget and brings better campaign results. Okay. Now what amount should be given here? So I'll enter 50 paise here. It is 50 paise per view. You can keep 1 rupee, 50 paise or less. It's totally up to you. But keep in mind that don't keep it that low, which will give no results. I will click on create campaign. As soon as I clicked on create campaign, so you can see my campaign is created successfully. Google is showing congratulations message. I'll go to continue to overview. Then after that, going in campaign section, is my campaign started running? Yes, it has become eligible. The status shows no disapproval and the budget is all set up. My ad will run soon and results will start coming. So you can create campaigns like this for your business or clients. Thank you.